Alright. In the video clip here now we have burn out some things. You see in our bedroom, you see the video camera in our bedroom, we are going up have to burn it out. You don't leave me with no other alternative but to burn it out. You know some of my man they not go to like the video but we now look for likes on it. We have to talk up the things that will make sense. The video in the bedroom now not take the thing too far. The freakiness them we are going in our bedroom, them no camera not supposed to allow in them. And at this now, no leave me to that alternative because no not do what it is that it is right. On no video it and say alright, we do this, we can look on ourselves and see how we did have fun. But most of the time these days now, in our reserve for the two people them wait the video with. It are they all over the place and I read some place. And what me get to understand is that both man and woman they will use it as something against them man or them woman when they break up. When the relationship pop down all of a sudden you hear a video circulate all about when they did for circulate and did for private. So here what? You see if you know in a marriage or if you know in a relationship where me I tell you say it firm like all when you make a foundation you put in 3 times the amount of steel if you go in it. No bother with the sex and the camera and the bedroom. You don't have to know what it is that you do. The picture them now we are sending around in our phone them we intend to be private. Me want to know woman if you don't know and man if you don't know to some of them not private. We have to know what it is we do. Me are going to a perfect example because I like come down to gravy. If you go need to get my point across. Here is a perfect example. Me is a woman. And in my phone right now when I look in a record this in front of you, me have around 15 other woman front in here and maybe one next 10 man penis. And half of them, number one, none of the woman them and of them send them vagina to me because I don't know where a woman could have sent them vagina to me for. And the fact of the matter, I couldn't know so I have them there in my phone. So that means I had a man phone then come out and then reach one place that me could have them there in my phone. If me I did one of them type of girl, then a woman phone, woman in it where I left front in I where me and them and a friend. And if me know I did one little giddy head, me have that send all about and tag and do up something or something. But you don't have to know what I do. Them little things here and something for ramp without not take them thing a turn game and when you hear from the show people we get humiliated about it. Some video grow on more time, me I tell you say then drastic. Some of the time when you see them at first, one thing does I tell you say boy send it and if you hear say wanna run your mind does I go tell you say somebody send it come give me, somebody come send it come give me because no want it and people want it to see it. But you know if you know say man them little thing they burn up man. If you no can't control yourself and a boy you just know say alright leg off of them thing they are for private purposes. You stop beg do man them picture with them front and when you get to have them a take a send all about. A boy or woman you get to the program and stop do some foolishness. And when you come to the freakiness now in the bedroom, some of the time I have to wonder what make them nowadays woman a fool so. Some of the time I just want to conk somehow because you just stupid. Tell me now how you come to the conclusion if you know say alright a boy I go tell you because half of the time the man have them wife and video put a road. So you know say alright some girl this way alright you know say alright you just have sex with some man where I do some little fun you have then. I mean I bash you neither because I 1, 2 or 3 somebody does people who have sex with fun and do what it is that them do. But at the same time, how you fear have sex with a boy for your fun or jump or give blowjob for your fun and make boy convince you to take out his phone out and pocket and start for video clip, for video you and do up the business them. No boy not supposed to have video up on phone where I give him blowjob where you now video him a eat out for your belongings. You have to know say alright I saw it I go for the rest of 2014. If me I go up on video do up the something them, you I go up on video do up the something because I don't know why you feel say alright the video have to involve. If you don't feel like you can't left it out make certain you know say a 50-50 on the video camera. You not supposed you have to make certain you have something with him in a for your phone to that if for your business they are road. For your business can go road to. Other than that, make no man convince you if you do up nothing on phone man. We have burn out the video and we have burn out the camera them in the bedroom and we have burn out the freakiness them on camera because it can get drastic. Me no know much how no shame by now for make you take sleep mark that I know so if it taps in the front on phone go get careless boy and And the man them too all when you look up penis, little them they not fi send out pan phone. Look up penis not fi send out pan phone. If you have one big danga now, well I guess you no shame. So maybe me no know no feel like do pan but me I make no know little penis not fi send out pan phone. Because I know it's shame just like how somehow not shame do man too. When you take sleep mat that and start video the careless boy them to or left out the camera them out of the bedroom overall. Me nah nothing more again fi tell you upon this.